Welcome to our comprehensive guide on content calendar and planning tools. In this video, we'll explore how to master your editorial workflow and keep your content strategy organized across all platforms. Whether you're a solo creator or managing a team, these tools will help you stay consistent and save valuable time. Let's start with why content calendars matter. First, they provide organization by keeping all your content ideas and schedules in one centralized location. Second, they ensure consistency by maintaining regular publishing schedules across all your platforms. Third, they enable collaboration, allowing your team to coordinate efforts and streamline workflows together. These three benefits form the foundation of successful content management. When choosing a content calendar tool, look for 4 essential features. Visual planning capabilities allow you to see your content in calendar and timeline views for easy visualization. Integration features connect your tool with social platforms, analytics tools, and other team applications. Approval workflows enable built-in review and approval processes to ensure content quality. Finally, multi-platform support lets you manage content across social media, blogs, and other channels all in one place. Let's explore some popular tools, starting with Monday.com, a project management platform with built-in content planning features that works best for teams and enterprises. Airtable is a flexible database solution for creating custom content workflows, ideal if you need high customization. Notion is an all-in-one workspace perfect for content planning and documentation, offering both flexibility and affordability. Buffer is a social media calendar with scheduling and analytics features, making it the best choice for social media creators. Continuing with more options, Hootsuite offers social media management with a calendar and analytics dashboard, perfect for social media teams. Sprout Social provides enterprise social management with advanced planning tools for large organizations. CoSchedule is a marketing calendar with workflow automation, ideal for marketing teams who need comprehensive solutions. Later is a visual content calendar specifically designed for Instagram and Pinterest, making it perfect for visual creators and influencers. Now let's compare these tools across important dimensions. Notion is free to start, has moderate ease of use, but offers excellent features. Monday.com costs more money, is easy to use, and provides excellent features. Buffer costs less than Monday, is very easy to use, but offers good rather than excellent features. CoSchedule also costs more, is easy to use, and provides excellent features. Choose based on your budget and how much complexity you can handle. Implementing a content calendar involves 4 key steps. Step 1 is to define your strategy by planning your content themes, posting frequency, and target platforms. Step 2 is choosing your tool by selecting a platform that matches your team size and budget. Step 3 is setting up templates to create consistent content formats and workflows. Step 4 is scheduling and publishing by adding content to your calendar and automating publication across channels. Follow these best practices for maximum effectiveness. Plan ahead by creating content calendars 4 to 8 weeks in advance, giving you better preparation and flexibility. Collaborate with your team by ensuring all members have access and can contribute ideas and feedback. Track performance metrics by monitoring engagement and adjusting your strategy based on data insights. Finally, maintain consistency by keeping a regular publishing schedule to build audience trust and engagement over time. You may face several challenges when implementing these tools. Information overload can happen when features seem overwhelming, so start simple with basic calendar features and expand as your team becomes comfortable. Team adoption requires training your team thoroughly and establishing clear workflows that everyone understands and follows. Budget constraints can be solved by starting with free tools available in the market and upgrading only when your needs expand. Multiple platform management is simplified by choosing tools with multi-platform integration to manage all channels centrally. Remember these key points from our discussion. Content calendars streamline planning and ensure consistency across all your platforms. When choosing tools, Base your decision on team size, budget, and your specific workflow needs. Integration capabilities and collaboration features are essential for successful team coordination. Finally, start with free tools available in the market and scale up as your content strategy grows and becomes more complex. Now pick a tool and start building your content strategy today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.